Axie vastness explicitly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, which generally basically is very huge. The cost of Axie limitlessness truly has fallen by 3.32% in the past 24 hours in a genuinely large manner, which is very critical. As far as Axie support floor, it generally is presently $10.21 in a sort of huge manner. Axie explicitly for the most part has its next obstruction at $11.87, or so they thought. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these regularly certainly truly sought clarification on pressing issues. What by and large is somewhat truly momentary cost expectation for Axie endlessness. Basically is acts an especially wise interest in an unpretentious manner, which is very critical. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth, which especially is very huge, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty exceptionally profound into the Axie specialized investigation, let us generally discuss the very current economic situations, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination, showing how market examination in a genuinely large manner, over the genuinely very last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the pretty certainly whole digital money market to $1,154,329,028,372 in a pretty most certainly significant manner. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume truly remains at $44,480,359,250, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they really thought incredibly, which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours, which essentially for the most part is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, showing that Axie basically has its genuinely next obstruction at $11.87 in a quite large manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, is somewhere near 3.99 and right now exchanging at 45 cents in an especially quite enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which is genuinely huge. These occasions basically for the most part demonstrate that the market actually essentially is going in a descending course for certainly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a fundamentally lovely general actually especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense, large way. Axie endlessness backing and opposition, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely critical. Backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to recognize commonly genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a quite enormous manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers generally basically become commonly more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, which is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers really become genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is very huge. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Axie vastness, Axie endlessness execution in every practical sense. Most certainly day-to-day graph of Axie limitlessness truly shows that the Axie cost truly has a kind of descending development with a 3.32% reduction in beyond 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. The value worth of the Axie vastness coin in every practical sense is remaining at $7.93 with market capitalization $919,506,540 USD. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period, showing that Axie by and large has its certainly next opposition at $11.87, which sort of is genuinely huge. Axie cost changes 12.3% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $41,724,088 USD in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie Boundlessness Value Examination Axie Cost Investigation for the 22nd of April 2023 inside an especially fundamentally everyday time period sort of made sense of underneath, which certainly shows that Axie endlessness backing and opposition, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally basic moving genuinely normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to break down the future development of the Axie limitlessness in a truly significant manner explicitly. The Axie vastness generally has in every practical sense. Break all its all things considered, upholds levels and things in every practical sense, are not looking pretty kind of really great for the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner in an unpretentious way. Right now, essentially bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Axie cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, exhibiting that XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere around 3.99 and at present exchanging at 45 cents, which really is very critical. The MACD line generally truly is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which for the most part shows that the MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday outline. By and large, further appearance how market investigation, showing how market examination, which really is very critical, RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and especially in every practical sense, is attempting to fundamentally break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength. Sort of additional appearance how Axie limitlessness value examination Axie cost investigation for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time span all things considered, basically made sense of underneath, which generally shows that Axie vastness backing and opposition, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Axie's Williams %R marker generally in a real sense is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign especially generally is all things considered conceivable at this reach, so however prior to plunging truly profound into the Axie specialized examination, really let us truly discuss the for the most part genuinely current economic situations, or so they certainly thought. Ends. Further appearance how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Axie specialized examination, let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The worth of Axie really is constantly unloading, however it for the most part is normal that help levels at $10.21